guys, it's Ilene here, and I have a really small Dollar Tree haul. My Dollar Trees just haven't been getting the stuff in like I've been hunting for. So before we get started, I just want to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So I'm going to start off with what was my favorite find, and there weren't that many things, but my favorite find was to actually come across the snow globe. I know we are nowhere near winter and snow, but my snow globe that I used to have broke, so I picked one of these guys up, and I also did pick up these little snowflakes to go along with it. These are blue and white and sparkly silver light, and I thought these would look really cute in there. So I'm not getting to that just yet, but when I do, I'll definitely show you guys how it came out. My other real favorite find was this vase. How beautiful are these? They had them in a few different colors. I took pictures for you guys, but I only picked up the green one. I love this color. I love the little leaf that it's dangling here. It's already wrapped with the twine. I thought this was really pretty. So I did pick up one of these to use around the house for decorating. Definitely for fall, and you know what? You could really use this whenever. So this was an exciting thing to find for me as well. The next thing that I found that others have been finding were these really fun air fresheners. So I picked up two of them. I picked up the 80s style disc here, and I can't believe it. I actually had discs like this. I remember back in the day, I would hit record on my stereo system, and it was like that back in the day, to record your favorite song. So I thought that was very nostalgic for me. I also picked up, well, this is the 2000s, and I thought these headphones were super cute. I plan to give these to my boyfriend. They only had them in green. I don't know if you guys found them in other colors. You can comment down below if you have. But they only had them in green, and that's my boyfriend's favorite color. He loves music too, and I thought this would be cute. The other thing that I found that I've been looking for, and I've never used false lashes before. So I did go ahead and I picked up these LA Colors false lashes. I got the Dolly, which is here, and Diva. I have been watching some YouTube videos to see how to put on these false lashes. We'll see if I can manage it. Wasn't a lot of money down the tubes if I can't get them on. These don't come with the glue, so you have to pick that up separately. So I also got this LA Colors. It dries black. I don't know if I should have got black or clear. Not really sure. But when I wear my makeup, not today, but I usually put the black line there. So I was thinking you won't really notice it. It would blend in. I don't know. Some people don't use glue. They just use mascara to get them on. So I'll have to play around with these. But for a total of $3, I thought this was a good way to try it. And I'll let you guys know how this works. The next thing that I was happy to find were some more of these Yes To masks. This is the comforting mud mask, and it protects and it minimizes irritation. I hauled last week the Yes To tomatoes, the charcoal mask, and I used it the other night, and it worked fabulous. It made my face feel so fresh, so nice. So I do look forward to trying these. That one that I did try did tingle. I'm trying to see if this one says that it will do the same thing. Oh, this one says 5 to 10 minutes. So I don't know. Maybe this is a more gentle one. The other one was a good 10 minutes, and it did tingle. A little bit of burn, but I had no irritation, no redness, no rash. So I was quite happy. And I was in Rite Aid just yesterday, and I seen these. They were $4, and it was buy one, get one 50 off. So you can't beat these for $1. I hope to go back and pick up a bunch more now that I actually am sure that they cost way more than $1 in the other stores. So if you see these, go ahead, pick up these Yes To face masks. The next thing that I found was some more it, guys.